hearts began to gleam. Hope shone bright, just like a dream. They traveled miles through dust and sand. God brought them safely to Bethlehem.